Hi, my name is Sahej and I am from Delhi. I did my bachelor's from DU. During lockdown, I decided to change my field and wanted to do something that I love. I wanted to go for something creative, so my dad encouraged me to look for some baking schools. So we started searching for baking schools near our place. I got to know about IBCA, that is Institute of Bakery and Culinary Arts, which is situated in Vikaspuri. I came here and did my registration. My experience here at IBCA is amazing. It's just been 4 months that I have joined here and we have made around 170 dishes. I am amazed that just after 1 month I got an opportunity to participate in IHE competition, and there I got silver medal for cake decorating competition. Everything is so good and nice here. All of our chefs are very helpful. We have 2 दीदीज here जो हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट की जान है, and without them a survival is impossible. And they both are so friendly and helpful, and they are always ready to help with a smile on their face. After one class, I got to know about so many techniques, and then I decided to go for 18 months professional diploma course. After 4 months of journey here, I feel very proud on my decision of taking an admission at IBCA. Thank you.